Squad going up.
What's good? Welcome back to another day. I'm getting ready to leave this hotel and head back to Kentucky. Let's go. All right, guys, say goodbye to beautiful Anaheim. It's the last we'll see of it. Headed to the car rental place to return this puppy and hop on a flight. Okay, in the rental, got it fueled up, on my way to return this thing and then hop on the flight. I'm cutting it a little bit close. If I miss my flight, it'll be because I had to return this rental car. I think we're gonna make it though. This has been the craziest, most unbelievable, just awesome trip of my life. Thank you all for making it such an awesome one. If you saw me at Vidcon and you came up and said hi to me and told me how much you liked the channel and what I do, like, that really made the trip just, it was icing on the cake. Thank you so much. This used to be the jam back in the day. Me and my buddy Zach would like karaoke this. Right, you need it from me.
Nothing, you're all set.
Cool, thanks man, have a good day. Okay, just got checked in, got my bag checked. I arrived with plenty of time, but it turns out the flight's delayed anyway for like 30 minutes, so maybe we will see some other YouTubers here flying home, or at the very least I'll get a couple of time lapses out of the window. Is that you, John Wayne? Is this me? Grabbing a quick lunch at this farmer's market here before I hop on the flight. We've got about a 30-minute delay, so got a little bit of time to grab some lunch. I think this is like the biggest club sandwich I've ever seen in my life. Look at this thing. It's the size of an entire loaf of bread. Ordering now. Okay, boarding now. Taking off from Anaheim now.
FAA regulations require you to follow the instructions of our crew members and
that moment when you land and everybody on the plane gets up. Although you aren't getting off the plane for like another 5-10 minutes. Okay, I've landed in Houston, Texas, in the airport. Looking for my next flight. Let's see. Louisville, Kentucky, 8:35 on time. It's like about like 2 hours to kill for this next flight. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Huh. Smart. Entrepreneurial. Business and or pleasure. Okay, I hear you, Houston. shuttle heading over to Terminal B. The best terminal. Okay, I've arrived here in Terminal B. Now we're trying to find the proper gate. I don't know why I'm like rushing to get there. I have like 2 hours before we fly out. So. I have exactly 1 hour to kill before the flight. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Look at these giant packs of cigarettes. So you can kill yourself even quicker. I guess they probably would have a hard time getting these things out of here. Hey little birdie. Apparently they've oversold the flight and they're trying to find someone to volunteer to stay in Houston for the night. It's not gonna be me.
I'd like to welcome all passengers flight 4222 into Louisville. Please proceed to B16. All ticketing for confirmed passengers as well as
Boarding now. Headed home. Okay, we are boarding finally and ready to head home, baby. I'm ready. I'm so ready. It's a small plane.
May be behind you. This aircraft has aisle path lighting. In the event of an evacuation, to the front of the cabin for an important safety demonstration. At this time, please minimize distractions from electronic devices and direct your attention to the front of the cabin as your flight attendant demonstrates important safety features of this aircraft. Please follow along using the passenger safety information card found in the seat pocket. Your seatbelt should be fastened at this time. To fasten, slide the metal end into the buckle, adjust by pulling on the loose end of the strap, and lift up on the buckle.
Finally taking off. Turbulation. This is probably because of that storm out there. Coming in hot. Ground in Louisville. Feels good to be home.
Mode. You need to deplane the aircraft. Please make sure you have all your belongings with you. Check the seatback pocket just to make sure that you didn't leave any personal items with you.
Right, we are unboarding the plane back in Louisville, Kentucky. Home sweet home. Okay, just gotta grab my bag from baggage claim. And I'll be headed back home, finally. I feel like I've been saying that all day. Waiting to get my bag. There you are. Okie dokie, I'm in the elevator. It's a weird shot. Going to get the rental. Got my bag. Not the rental. Wow, it's late. I'm tired. I just said rental. I'm going to get my car from the parking lot out here, and the battery on this camera is about to die, so this may be the last clip until I get home. It feels so good to be back. There she is. Aren't you excited for sore eyes? How'd they treat you over here? I take care of you? Alright, my friends, I have made it home. Home sweet home. It feels good to be here. It feels great out. I think I'm gonna cut the vlog off right here. Got a bunch of editing to do. And yeah, thanks for coming to California with me. Thank you for making the trip possible. If you don't know it or not, you watching these videos really enables me to do these things and just makes my life amazing. So thank you again. Today was a great day, but tomorrow is gonna be even better. I'll see you then. Remember to stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys. Hey man, I love your stuff. Email?
Wow, cool exit.
Check this out. Trending tab on YouTube. Oh, who's that?